Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to add a number to your contact list on your iPhone. Now you can do this in three ways. The first way is by opening up the Contact app and then tapping on the plus sign at the top right of the screen. Then type in their name and then down below type in their contact details like their phone number, email address, and other details. Then press done at the top right and the number will be added to your contact list. The second way of adding a number to your contact list is by opening the phone app, then tap on keypad to go to this screen. Now type in the number you want to save in your contact. Once you finish typing in the number, tap on add number just below the numbers. Then tap on Create New Contact. Now type in their name and then press done at the top right to save it. The number will then be added to your contact list. The third way of adding a contact to your contact list is where if you received a call from a number which you don't recognize and it gets saved in your recent log. Tap on your phone app, then tap on Recent. Now go through the list and review what number you want to save to your contact. Next, tap on the information icon next to the number. You'll then get to this screen. Here, tap on Create New Contact. Now here, type in their name and then press done at the top right to save it. The number will then be saved into your contact list. To review the number you've added to your contact, again, open up your phone app, then tap on Contacts at the bottom. You should see your new contacts which you have saved using these methods. And that is how to add a number to your contact list on your iPhone. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If this was helpful to you, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.